it can oftentimes struggle with multitasking. These can be big issues depending on what you're trying to do. But if we're going to be fair, we're not perfect either. Many of us can struggle with those same things as well. But maybe a counter-argument to that is we still manage to solve problems and get things done. Why is that? That's because our intelligence isn't confined to just our knowledge and what we know. It encompasses a lot more, like our ability to plan ahead and break down problems into smaller problems. It's down to our ability to reflect on the outcomes of our actions. And of course, down to our ability to use tools to help us complete a given goal. Now here's where things get interesting. What if we try to use or replicate the way humans approach problems using language models? It's at this point when we stop thinking about AI like ChatGPT as just a chatbot that requires constant human input to complete a task, and instead think of them as agents or autonomous agents. Agents are designed to automate workflows end to end with little to no human intervention, and they do so by planning their tasks, reflecting on the outcomes of their actions, and using tools to help them out. So very similar to us. To understand what agents actually do, let's think about how we generally operate. Practically everything we do nowadays involves our phones and our computers. The applications and programs on our devices act as tools to do certain things. So if I'm writing an essay, I might use a web browser to access the internet to research a topic. If I'm an accountant, I could use a different set of tools, maybe Excel or an accounting software. If I'm a programmer, again, I have a different set of tools. But we're basically constantly using a variety of different tools to help us with a given task. And this is where agents are a bit different. Instead of us using those tools, we just describe to an AI what the task is and what the end goal is, and then it plans which tools it needs to use and how to use them, and then it actually does it on its own. Not only can they complete the task much quicker than we can, but in theory, we wouldn't even need to know how to use these tools in the first place. So imagine this. You're an entrepreneur, you've just started a business, and you need a website, but you have no idea how to build one.